Hello student, today I will discuss the next question, that is greatest integer function defined from real number to real number. That is prove that the greatest integer function f such that r to r given by fx is equal to greatest integer function x is neither 1 nor onto, where this represents denotes the greatest integer function less than or equal to x. Solution: given f defined from real to real, fx is equal to greatest integer function where greatest integer function is less than or equal to x. First, 1. Let x1 and x2 are two different elements of domain of f, that is R, such that fx1 is equal to fx2, imply greatest integer function x1 is equal to greatest integer function x2, imply x1 not equal to x2. This is clear through one example. Take x1 is equal to 1.2 and x2 is equal to 1.4. Then fx1 is equal to 1.2, that is 1, and fx2, that is 1.4, is also 1. That is x1 not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. Hence f defined from R to R is not 1 function. Next, onto function. Let y be arbitrary element of codomain of f, that is element of R, such that fx is equal to y, imply greatest integer function x is equal to y. That is, for every element of y, there does not exist x in domain. That is, for every element of y, there does not exist ax in R. For example, if y is equal to 1.2, then there does not exist any x element of domain such that greatest integer function x is equal to 1.2. That is, for no value of x, the greatest integer function is equal to 1.2. Hence, f such that R to R defined by fx is equal to greatest integer function x is not onto. Hence, f such that R to R fx is equal to greatest integer function x is neither 1 and nor onto function. Next question. So that modulus function, that is f such that defined from real to real given by fx is equal to mod of x is neither 1 nor onto function. Here modulus of x is x if x is positive or 0, and minus x if x is negative. Solution: given that f such that R to R fx is equal to mod of x, which is extended in expanded form, plus x if x greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus x if x greater than 0. First, 1. Let x1 and x2 are two arbitrary elements of domain of f, such that is two arbitrary element of this R, such that fx1 is equal to fx2, imply mod of x is equal to mod of x2, imply x1 is equal to plus minus x2, imply x1 not equal to x2. For example, if x is equal to minus 1 and x2 is equal to plus 1, then fx1 and fx2 both equal to plus 1. That is, x1 not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. Hence, f is not 1 function. Next, onto function. Let y be arbitrary element of codomain of f. Codomain of, that is this R, such that fx is equal to y, imply mod of x is equal to y. That is, for any y element of codomain, there does not exist x in domain. That is, there does not exist x in domain. For example, if y is equal to minus 1, then there does not exist any x in domain such that mod of x is equal to minus 1. Since mod of x is always have positive value, there does not exist any negative value. Hence, f defined from R to R is equal to fx is equal to mod of x is not onto function. Therefore, function f defined from R to R given by fx is equal to mod of x is neither 1 and nor onto function.